Is your Skoda's infotainment system randomly turning off? This is a common issue, especially in models with the MAB-based Amundsen and Columbus systems. The root cause is often software related, with bugs and firmware issues being the most likely suspect. Recent over-the-air OTA updates from Skoda VW in 2025 have aimed to fix these problems, but some users still experience shutdowns. These shutdowns can sometimes be triggered by overheating or battery drain. A soft reset, holding the power button for 10 seconds, is a good first step. For more severe issues, a factory reset, accessible via Settings, System, Factory Reset, might be necessary. Make sure your system is updated to the latest firmware, either via USB or OTA. If basic resets don't solve the problem, consider potential app conflicts. Skoda's infotainment systems integrate with Android Auto, so incompatible apps can cause instability. Disconnecting unnecessary devices and sticking to official Skoda apps can help. Also, adjust sleep settings, system power management to prevent premature hibernation. Looking ahead, VW Group is investing in AI-driven diagnostics for predictive maintenance. Newer hybrid and electric Skoda models, like the Enyaq, have shown improved stability due to optimized power distribution. Future trends point towards self-healing infotainment systems via machine learning, potentially eliminating random shutdowns in the coming years. If problems persist, professional diagnostics at a Skoda dealership are recommended.